This question is additional exercise, current electricity, class 12, NCERT. Question number 3.15a, and according to the question, 6 lead acid type of secondary cells, each of EMF 2.0 volt and internal resistance 0.015 are joined in a series. Means given that total number of cells 6, EMF of each cell 2.0 volt, internal resistance of each cell 0.015 ohm, external resistance 8.5 ohm, and to find out the current through the combination. So actually this question is related to the number of cells in series or combination of cells in series. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 cells are connected in series as according to the figure, and finally connected to the external resistance capital R equal to 8.5 ohm, EMF 2.0 volt of each cell, and internal resistance R equal to 0.015 ohm, and so on. So the current equal to total EMF by total resistance. Total EMF means NE equal to capital E. So here capital E equal to NE equal to 6 into 2 equal to 12 volt. So here NE equal to capital E means 12 volt. Total resistance means external resistance plus internal resistance. Internal resistance R, and there are 6 number of the cells, so total resistance 6 into small r. So your 12 by capital R 8.5 plus N 6 into 0.015, and the whole calculation 12 by 8.5 plus 0.09 equal to 12 by 8.59, and finally the current is obtained 1.39 ampere equivalent to 1.4 ampere. So this is the current passing through the combination of cells in series or through the external resistance. And our question now, potential difference across the combination of cells or across the external resistance, B equal to IR 1.4 into 8.5, and this is equal to 11.9 volt. So this is the solution of question number 3.15, and one of the question number 3.15b, the same question number 3.15b. And in this question, a secondary cell after long use has an EMF of 1.9 volt, so EMF 1.9 volt, and high makes large internal resistance small r equal to 380 ohm. Now to find out the maximum current, so E is equal to I max R, I max equal to E by R equal to 1.9 by 380. 1.9 I max equal to E by R, 1.9 by 380, and this value equal to 0.05 ampere. So I max, and your question is What maximum current can be drawn from the soil? So this maximum current 0.05 ampere can be drawn from the cell. And last part, could the cell drive the starting motor of a car? No, because the value of current is not adequate or very small. That's okay. So this is the solution of question number 3.15b, and this one is the solution of question number 3.15a. Thank you very much.